Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Tech Helpline. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to sign up or create a new account for Royal Bank. Keep watching the video till the end to learn how, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Also press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. Start off by clicking open a web browser. Into the web address bar, type in www.rbcroyalbank.com and press enter on your keyboard. You'll end up in the official web page of Royal Bank, which looks like this. Royal Bank of Canada is a Canadian multinational financial service company and the largest bank in Canada by market capitalization. If you already have an account on Royal Bank, click on the sign in button at the top right hand corner and enter your credentials in the text boxes. If you don't have an account yet and you'd like to sign up or enroll, click on Enroll in Online Banking link and you'll end up in the sign up area. Before beginning, make sure that you have your Royal Bank client card, your credit card, and your Royal Bank account number. Choose who would you like to create an account by selecting one of the options. Click on the circle after you make a choice and click on Enroll Now. Select if you have a Royal Bank client card or credit card. If you don't have a Royal Bank client card, select No and enter the rest of the information in the text boxes. If you have a client card, you'll need to enter your client card number or your credit card number in the text box. Now head over to the next field and type in your postal code and click on the Continue button. If you don't have a credit card or a client card, enter your transit number in the first text box after selecting No from the option and enter your account number on the next field. On the next field, type in your first name and then your last name. Finally, click on the Continue button and on the next page, you'll get your activation code. Enter your activation code and set up your password by following the on-screen prompts, and that way you'll be able to sign up for Royal Bank quick and easy. That was how you can easily sign up for Royal Bank of Canada. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll soon be back with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.